guys, welcome back to Chloe's Way to Play today. And I just received this box from YULU, and I don't know what it is, so let's get to the video and see what it is. Oh my gosh, it's like a big... Ooh. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. It's like a little bag, and then you just pull the actual box out of, because it is a bag. So it says Snapstar. Okay, let's open the box. And it comes with this card. I'm gonna read the, let's see. Wait, let me open the box first. It says, welcome to the Snapstar world. Come on and meet the squad. We can't wait for you to snap, style, and share your creations. Love the Snapstar squad. So that's what it is. That's what it looks like. And then that's the back. So let's open it. Okay, let's see. Okay, got it. Oh my gosh, guys. So it exceeds. So I have this on top, and it says, these are all the characters. So it says Dawn, Echo, Espen, Lola, Yuki, and Izzy. And then that's the other thing. So let's get to opening it. I'm going to start from here. So I think... Okay, so, that's just the box to separate it. Oh my gosh! So I'm gonna open. So I got Yuki and Lola. So I'm gonna open Lola. So this is what Lola looks like, and she came with these accessories. This cute little dress, some sunglasses, and some glittery high heels. So let's open Lola. Oh, you take it out like this. I need scissors to open this. She's so cute. So I just got the tape off and stuff, so now I'm just gonna get it out. This is what she looks like. I'm gonna take her, I'm gonna show you guys what she looks like outside of the box. So I have a little green screen and this stuff and other stuff. So Lola comes with some nice cute shoes, so little high up socks, movable hands. She has a cute shirt with stars. She has colorful hair, and she also had these pants and a unicorn bag and a cell phone. So let's get this stuff. So this is what Lola looks like out of the box. And she has some, she's 99% unicorn. So yeah, and there's her with her phone and her cute little unicorn bag. And these dolls are more than 15 points of articulation. So articulation.
That's a hard word.
It is. It is a hard word to say. So I'm going to read one of these things. So it says, Lola is a ball of positive energy who sees the best in everyone and the beauty in everything. Although Lola is passionate about changing the world for the better, she believes kindness is the key. She always bubbly and giggly. All the girls love having her around because she makes everyone around her feel great and want to be their best selves. So that's Lola. Oh, that's so nice of her. So, with these dolls, they have their own, I heard that they have their own account and that you could download the Snapstar Studio app and you could snap, style, and share. And you could also change if you want their wig to be short on the app. You could tap these buttons, and you could also change the lip color, their I think their eye color. But these dolls are so cool. So I really hope you guys love this video. Bye.